Hi friends, good evening. So today I will concentrate on one of the interview question. So that is, what is context in Android? What is context? This we use in lot of places to use in a different basis. So what is the meaning of exactly that? What is context? So in our Android, context is nothing but simply here which refers superclass, but must and should that could be extended as activity. Until it could not extended, that we could not say activity. So but it should extend as activity, then only we can say that called context. So like this context we can refer in a different ways in our Android. One is class name dot this. The second way is get application context, and the third way is another, that is get activity, and the last is get context. In these four ways we can define context. But what is the difference between these four? So here the first two we can use in activities, and second two we used in fragments. These two we are using in activities, these two we are using in fragments. Why? What is the difference? Because fragment is a view, so that view is indirectly it's refer as a this class only, but we could not define with that name. So because of that we are indirectly calling that get activity or get context into this. So here get application context is nothing but which is also refer superclass, but it's applicable whenever you are within that class itself. If you are not in that class, that get application context could not be work. So because of that is the reason whenever we are using dialogues, whenever in a dialogues, get application context could not be work. Get application context could not work because dialog means it's creating one more view on top of the layout. Because of that, this theme and that theme both are mismatching, so it is not worked on this. So remaining other places, if you want, you can use as get application context apart from the dialogues. So this is nothing but context. Context is nothing but simply it which refers superclass, but must and should it extends as an activity. Then only we can say that is a context. This we are defining four ways total. That is class name dot this, get application context. These two we used in activities. The next two is the get activity and get context. These two we used in a fragments. So this is about context. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.